Good morning students. Welcome to the geometry online session. In this session we are going to continue with practice set 4.3. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's start with practice set. Second sum. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 58 degree, angle X is equal to 46 degree and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So here first step is draw a rough figure. So in the rough figure we have to draw a bigger triangle, that is triangle ZWV. Now we have to find angle W and angle V. So how to find it? Yes, angle W is the half of angle Y, that is equal to half into 58 degree, that is equal to 29 degree. Now let's see, angle V is half of angle X. So angle X is 46 degree. So half of 46 degree is 23 degree. Okay. So we got angle W and angle V. Okay. Now for point Z, we have to draw angle W and angle V. We will get point Z. Then if you draw the perpendicular bisectors of WZ and ZV, we will get vertex Y and vertex X. Okay. So this way we will get triangle XYZ. So I hope you all are clear with the construction. So let's start with the fair figure. First step is draw a base of triangle ZWV. So this is the base, that is segment WV of 10.5 centimeter, because perimeter is given as 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is our base. Write the endpoints WV. Sorry, by mistakenly I written there Y. So it is V and the distance is 10.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to draw the angle W, that is of 29 degree. So you have to place your protractor at point W. Okay, like this you have to place your protractor. Then you have to count from right hand side. So you will get here 29 degree mark, and then with the help of scale you are going to join this mark to vertex W or point W. Okay. So this way you are going to draw a ray at point W. Okay. Now what will be the next step? Write that 29 degree. So in the next step you have to draw angle V of 23 degree. So you have to place your protractor at point V, and then from the left hand side you will start counting, and at 23 degree you have to show one mark, and then 3 lines after 20 you have to consider, and then with the help of scale you will join that mark to point V. Okay, so this way you are going to draw a ray. So here we got point of intersection, that is point Z. So we have drawn here triangle ZWV. Okay. Now what is the next step? Yes, we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. So you have to take more than half the distance of WZ in the compass, put pointer on point W, draw one arc above and below, that is on either side of segment WZ. Similarly, you have to put pointer on point Z, draw two intersecting arcs, highlight the point of intersections, and with the help of scale you are going to join these 2 points. Okay. So this line is the perpendicular bisector of segment WZ. Okay. So name that line as line L and show the perpendicular sign also. Okay. Now what is the next step? Yes, draw the perpendicular bisector of segment VZ. For that again you have to take more than half distance. Draw 2 arcs on either side of ZP. Similarly you have to draw 2 arcs by putting pointer on point V, and then highlight the point of intersections, and with the help of scale join these 2 points. Okay, so this line is the perpendicular bisector of segment ZV. Name that line as line M and show the perpendicular sign. Okay, now here on segment WV we got 2 points. This point will be your point Y and this is your point X. Okay, so because we know that angle V is half of angle X and angle W is half of angle Y. Okay, now you have to join this point Y to point Z and point X to point Z. Okay, so this way you have to join them. So here we got triangle XYZ. Okay, now here segment YZ and segment WY are equal. Similarly XZ and XV are equal. Okay, now if you measure angle Y with the help of protractor, you will get angle Y as 58 degree. Okay, so that means our angle Y is correct. Okay, so write there 58 degree, and if you measure angle X, you will get angle X as 46 degree. Okay, see there, so this is 46 degree. So we have done the construction of triangle XYZ. Now let's move on to the next question. Construct triangle LMN in which angle M is 60 degree, angle N is 80 degree and LM plus MN plus NL is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, so here the addition of 3 sides of triangle is given as 11 centimeter. Okay, it is a perimeter of triangle LMN. So now first we have to draw the rough figure. So here I have drawn base of bigger triangle, that is segment ST. Okay, now what next you have to draw? You have to draw angle S and angle T. Okay, so this way 2 rays you will draw, and as this is a rough figure, we are drawing approximate, we are taking approximate measurements, so we can draw here. So here these 2 rays are intersecting at one point and that point will be your point L. Okay, now what is the next step? You have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, so here this is the perpendicular bisector of segment SL and this is the perpendicular bisector of segment LT. Okay, so this way 2 lines you have to draw. They are perpendicular to show the perpendicular sign, and point of intersections on ST you are getting those 2 points you have to join to point L, and those points are point M and point N. Okay, and length of segment ST is 11 centimeter because perimeter is given as 11 centimeter. Okay, so now you have to mention segment LM is equal to segment SM and segment LN is equal to segment NT. Angle M is 60 degree and angle N is 80 degree. Now what is the next step? You have to find angle S and angle T. Okay, so you will write here angle S is equal to half of angle M. Okay, that is equal to half into angle M is 60 degree, so you will write half into 60, that is 30 degree. Okay, then angle T is equal to half of angle N. Okay, that is equal to half into 80 degree, that is equal to 40 degree. Okay, so we got here angle S as 30 degree and angle T as 40 degree. Okay, so this is our rough figure. Okay, this way you have to draw the rough figure, and these are the 2 perpendicular bisectors, line L and line M. Okay, so all the measurements and all the names you have to mention in the rough figure. Okay, now with the help of this figure we have to draw the fair figure. So now with the help of scale, we have to draw base, that is segment ST of 11 centimeter. Okay. So this is point S and point T. Write the length of ST, that is 11 centimeter. Okay. So like this we have to show. Now what is the next step? Yes, you have to draw angle S. For that, place the protractor properly at point S. And then from which side you will start counting? Yes, from right hand side, because our segment is on right hand side. Point T is on right hand side. So here is the mark of 30 degree. Join that mark to vertex S. Like this you will draw one ray. Okay, right there 30 degree. Now next is draw angle T of 40 degree. So here you will place protractor at point T, and now you have to start counting from left hand side because point S is on left side. So this is the mark of 40 degree. You have to join that mark to point T. So this is the ray you have to draw right there 40 degree. Now point of intersection you are getting, that point is point L. Okay. So now what will be the next step? You have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Okay. So take compass, take more than half the distance of segment SL in the compass like this. Approximate distance you have to take. Then put pointer on point S. Draw one arc above, draw one arc below. Similarly, put pointer on point L, draw one intersecting arc above and draw one intersecting arc below. Okay. Like this you have to draw two arcs. Highlight the point of intersections. And then with the help of scale, you have to join these two points. Okay. So this way you are going to draw a line. So this line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment SL. Okay. So I hope the construction is clear to all of you. Now let's start drawing the perpendicular bisector of LT. Put pointer on point L. Draw one arc above, draw one arc below. Similarly, on either sides you have to draw two arcs by putting pointer on point T. Highlight the point of intersections and then join them. Okay. So this line will be your perpendicular bisector of segment LT. Okay. Name that line as line M. Okay. So this way show the perpendicular sign, and now you will get 2 points here on segment ST. This point is your point M and this point is your point N. Okay. Now join this point M to point L, and similarly you have to join point N to point L. Okay. So this way you have to join these 2 points. So here we got triangle LMN. Okay. So this is the construction of triangle LMN. Now show the equal signs like this. Then if you measure angle M with the help of protractor, you will get angle M as 60 degree. Okay. And angle N should be 80 degree. Okay. So if you have done the construction properly, you will get correct 80 degree angle. Okay. So place your protractor properly at point N and then see your angle is of 80 degree. Okay. So this way you have to do the construction. I hope the construction is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt regarding construction, you can ask me anytime. So with this, I will end this session here, and we have completed practice set 4.3. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next session.